This is News here. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is breaking news. Here is a couple of lovebirds. And here is not a couple of lovebirds. Just one single lonely male without a couple. Be careful though. This one bites hard. So if he bites you, your finger might bleed. But this one right here, the yellow one, he just bites like this. Not really. This one's even kind. More kinder. So my mom just received these two lovebirds. And then we went to the pet store to get these bird houses. And you know what happened? Once we got back, I played with some cats with the laser pointer. But moments later after that, my mom called me to go here. And then the female flew away. There's a runaway bird here. So if you do see a lovebird that is kind and has a green color, make sure to like. If you do like, but if you do see the birds, if you do see one bird that is kind and has a green color, make sure to be kind with that bird and let us know. Okay? So that's all for today or tonight. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bells to never miss a video ever again, and share with your friends every time if there's a new video. So, goodbye, and I'll see you next time, and Samuel's Breaking News.